Alright, here I am in UIA, guys, back after Christmas, and yeah, I'm going to be doing my UIA glitches now, and my controller keeps messing up on me, I don't know why, but, alright, so here I am on For Honor, and I got my current armor back on. Sadly, Christmas is over, so no more of that. Alright, I got 2 glitches really to show you. It'll be in 3 separate videos, though. Well, maybe 2, I don't know. First one, I've made videos of before. It's over here. Always bolts first. Okay. To weapons. Go to crap. I do that. Alright. Go up to this wall and it hopefully, oh my god, hopefully it will work. I mean, I hope to God this will work. I was lucky to get on camera last time, but it was on the old computer, or not computer, old TV. You have to wait for a second, and it should come up. Oh my god. Maxed out ammo. Oh my god, come on. Apparently something didn't work because it didn't max out. What the heck is going on? Oh my god. Something is not working right. I don't know what it is. Okay, now it is. The PDA, it wasn't working on the PDA for some reason. Okay, now let's try it. Again, you go up to this wall, over here, and you get out your mega turret glove. Mini turret glove, whatever. Yeah. If I'm thinking correctly, I think it did this last time too, so it should start like jumping around and then something should go. Oh, what the heck? What? Something is not right. I really don't know what's going on, guys. It will not work. Yeah, it's been a while since I have done this glitch, or really any glitch, but oh my god, it will not work. Alright, so go on to the next glitch and try this one at the end, I guess. I don't know. Might as well stop and get ammo fast. Come on. Alright, I really do not know what's going on, but eventually I'll figure it out and come back, hopefully. Okay, the next one is it's on Starship Phoenix. Alright, let's go. Might kind of blur here a little bit because this camera is just that way. I don't really know why. Yeah. See more of my TV now, yeah, it's light out, kind of, in here. Alright, this one I will do in the next video, because I have no idea what time has already passed on the camera, so, okay, see you in the next video.